Hi, AIM students. How are you?
Pretty good.
Okay, let me see. Why are you in the workshop today? Let's ask Mr. Mustafa. Why are you in the workshop?
Do the retract test.
To jack the aircraft and do the retraction test. James, what kind of plane is this?
This is a Mooney.
A Mooney, what kind of series?
A20.
Okay, 20C series. 20C series? Yes, okay. How did you get this plane inside this hangar, Mr. Jose? How did you get the plane? I see you are standing by the dolly.
So we had to do a lot of extreme measurements here to get this aircraft in. We had to push it in, but
Actually, you were
with the work of this,
You had to use the dolly to move it. Okay. Okay, guys. Latrice, why do you have to have the plane inside for jacking? Why do you have to have it inside?
So everything can be level and balanced.
Thank you. Because the manual says it should be level and balanced. And we have the Mooney 20 manuals with us. So now we're going to do our jacking procedure. Already the jack points have been installed. And you have them underneath the wings. The jack points have been installed underneath the wings. So we'll bring our jacks and then we'll continue. Okay, welcome to the class project. Now we're about to jack up the Mooney 60. We have Michael on one side, and I'll go to the other side and see Oswe on the other side. Okay, we'll have to do it in unison. And you see we have a hoist to support our engine because we do not want it to be nose heavy and then damage the blade. So we're going to count down. Up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yeah, so now you see the landing gears are off the ground. So that's all we need for now. Thank you. Lock it. Say, retract it for us. Up.
Blow on the pitot tube.
Good job, good job.
So that's
Good job.
The battery's dead.
Okay.
Now do it
Then
that way.
extend it. Did the glide come on? Okay. Then extend it. Release it. Down. Landing gear down. Pull it and down. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now we finished the retraction, gear retraction test. We finished the gear retraction test now.
We're good.
Thank you.